we will divide into 4.
Ma'am, which question is this?
Fourth question, देखो ध्यान से. I am showing you the question on the screen also. You can see. I hope it's clear. Draw a line segment of length 12.8 centimeter using compasses. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Verify by actual measurement. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. First, draw 12.8. Do you? This is 12.8. 13 से 2 marks पहले. I will show you. I will show you like this. This is 12, and this is 13. 12.8 is this. Can you see my point pencil on the ruler?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I will make it 12.8. Make a line segment
from 13.
हाँ जी. 12.8.
Ma'am, this is exercise 14.3, question 4.
14.5. 40. I have drawn.
मैम हमने सिमेट्री कर लिया है ना?
नहीं किया.
सिमेट्री नहीं किया.
Ma'am, done.
Now, first half will be the same.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
ma'am,
14.5, 12.8 centimeter. 12.8. 13 से 2 मार्क पहले, 2 थिन लाइन पहले.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, what is written after using compass?
Divide it into 4 equal parts. अब 2 parts तो बेटा जैसे पहले किया था ना हमने, B पे रखेंगे कंपास, मोर देन हाफ ओपन करते हैं, मोर देन हाफ. देखो ऐसे 1 आर्क अबव, ध्यान से देखना बेटा. 1 आर्क अबव, 1 आर्क बिलो. ठीक है? एनी क्वेरी? सेम वे फ्रॉम ए.
No, ma'am.
ए से 1 आर्क अबव, 1 आर्क बिलो. ठीक है? Now I am going to join these 2 points. This joining, please take care, very carefully you have to draw. Any query till here? This is the same we've done like last one. I will name it this point as C. But I have to divide it into 4 equal parts. हमको 4 parts में divide करना है ना बेटा. Please respond back, yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
अब हम क्या करेंगे? देखो सुनो ध्यान से पहले. CB को फिर हाफ में डिवाइड कर देंगे और AC को फिर डिवाइड कर देंगे. CB को हाफ, फिर AC का हाफ. देखो कैसे करेंगे. 1 आर्क फ्रॉम B, लेकिन इसको थोड़ा कंपास को कम कर लेंगे. अब मोर देन हाफ चाहिए होता ना, ऐसे. देखते भी जाओ बेटा. प्लीज लुक एट द स्क्रीन ऑल्सो. वी विल ओपन द कंपास. मोर देन हाफ ऑफ AC BC. अब हम BC को बाइसेक्ट करें. वी आर बाइसेक्टिंग BC. 1 आर्क अबव, 1 आर्क बिलो. Just a second. Same way from C. 1 arc above, 1 arc below. ठीक है? 1 arc above, 1 arc below. Same way from C and A. Same way from C and A. 1 arc above, 1 arc below. then A, from A. One arc above, one arc below. Like this. Can you see? China, are you all able to see? Please respond back.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now we will join. Joining is important. Again and again, ma'am says the same thing, ma'am repeating. This joining is very, very important. And now you can measure, you can name them as D and E. Okay, now you can, they are written, verify by actual measurement. Now there are 4 parts, line ke 4 parts ho gaye beta. Can you see the 4 parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write AD, I am writing here, AD equals to, ऐसे लिख के दिखाते हैं आपको, AD equals to DC equals to CE equals to EB. Okay, these are the 4 points. These are the 4 points. Oh, yes. These are the 4 points D, C, E, AD, DC, CE, EB. These are the 4 parts. और इनका मेजरमेंट कितना होगा? 6.4 का हाफ, 3.2 centimeter. Each part will be of 3.2 centimeter. Each part would be 3.2 centimeter. Don't worry, if possible, I'll just share this also in Google Classroom so that you can construct afterwards also. You can practice afterwards. Children, please do not rely only on the class part, classwork. Do them again. Do these questions again. If you want, you can change this measurement and do it again, or even if the same measurement you can do. In the paper, I can change this measurement at 12.8 ki jagah, ma'am can make something else. 10.8 or 16.4. I can make any measurement which can be divided into 4. Is that so or not?
Ma'am, I have made. Ma'am, please show the construction.
Yes, I am showing you. ऐसे 4 arcs आएंगे.
Ma'am, it is
Oh.
not visible full.
Okay, ऐसे 4 arcs आएंगे ना.
Ma'am,
ठीक है?
it's okay.
Like this.
Ma'am, I have constructed.
Good. I will.
Please see mine.
I'll check everybody's work. Don't worry. Once let me know that everybody has drawn, then I'll come to change the view of the screen, and we will check everybody's work. We will check everybody's work.
Ma'am, I have drawn.
Have you all drawn, children? Ananya is saying yes.
Yes,
Ekam
ma'am.
is saying everybody has drawn. Kabir, have you drawn? Kabir, Hiral, have you drawn?
Ma'am, all are 3.2 I have measured.